up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So I say this every time I film these types of videos, but I literally feel like once a month I'm filming like some type of haul. Like it's just, I find myself buying so much stuff from like Sephora, Ulta, just like all the time. I'm always like on their websites and I'm always just like ordering stuff, and it's just, before I know it, we're sitting here again with another haul. So I'm assuming you guys already can guess, this is going to be another Ulta and Sephora haul. I'm super excited because I have a lot of like new stuff in here that I'm really excited to share with you guys and talk to you guys about. Some things I've tried, some things I haven't. But yeah, so if you guys are interested, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's jump into another haul. I kind of just have everything like in a box right in front of me. I'm not going to go in like any specific order. I'm not going to do like Ulta and then Sephora first. I'm just going to kind of pick through the box and go from there. So the first thing that's sitting at the top of the box I'm like super excited about. I got these masks from Ulta. They're from the brand KITSCH. I think that's how you pronounce it, KITSCH. So I picked these up. They were $12 and you got 3 of them. They are obviously washable, reusable masks. So one of them is like a gray, not gray, like a tan leopard print, then one is like a pink print, and then one is like kind of like tie-dye and pink. I don't know if you guys can tell, yeah. So it looks like that. Don't mind my nails, by the way. Like my manicure is just like non-existent at this point. It's just really playing me. So anyways, but yeah, I picked these up and I kind of wrapped one like around my ear the other day when I got them, and they feel like they're going to be super comfortable and just super like nice and breathable. So I'm super excited to try them. I haven't washed them yet, or I haven't used them yet because I haven't washed them. Make sure that if you buy any type of mask like this that you wash them before you use them. Do not just wear them. Just make sure that you please wash them before you use any type of cloth mask. So moving on, I did pick this up. This is actually the lipstick that I'm wearing right now. I actually really like this. This is from L'Oreal. This is in the shade Fairest Nude. I just saw Fairest Nude and I was like, oh, that's me. Need to pick it up. So this is what it looks like. It's like your typical standard, just like pinky, blushy toned lipstick, and it has like that really nice L'Oreal formula. I really do like the formula of their lipsticks. I feel like they're super just comfortable and they go on really easily and they're very like pigmented. So it is the lipstick that I am wearing right now, and I have nothing underneath it. I don't have a liner, I don't have a gloss over it. It's just literally just the lipstick on my lips, and I'm really like enjoying it today. The next thing is also from Ulta. This is from NYX. This is their Tinted Brow Mascara. This has been the brow gel that I have been using for like the past like a year and a half. I really love this brow gel a lot. This is great if you're somebody like me and that doesn't always like do their brows every single day, but you just kind of want to add a little bit of color, make them look a little filled in. This is a perfect formula. I literally use this 5 days a week when I go to work. I never ever like actually sit there and like do my brows, just because it's just, I don't care. I'm going to work. Like, I don't need to sit there and like frigging do my brows, you know what I mean? And I always get compliments on them. People are always asking me, what do you have in your brows? Like, how do you do your brows? Like, what products do you use? And I'm like, I literally just have a tinted brow gel in, and that's it. So I really highly recommend this. It's my favorite. I got mine in the shade Brunette because obviously, but yeah, they have like a ton of different shades online. So I have been loving this for the past year and a half, and I was actually just running out of it. So I had a scoop of another because it's so good. So up next, this is from the brand The Ordinary, and I got this from Sephora. This is their vitamin C little serum thing that I picked up. Everybody on TikTok just talks about The Ordinary and talks about how good it is. So I did want to pick this up because I do have a few other things from The Ordinary that I have been loving. And I'm not like a skincare guru, so I don't know too much about it. So I really do rely on like what's on TikTok and just like people's recommendations. So that's pretty much how I like kind of navigate through this skincare world. And I picked this up and I have been using it for about a week because I got this stuff in the mail like sporadically within the last week, and I have really been liking it. My skin just looks like, it just looks fresh to my skin. I've been mixing, how I use this is I mix it in with the hyaluronic acid. So I'll put this on the back of my hand, put the hyaluronic acid like over, and then just kind of swirl them together, make like a little cocktail, and then put it on my face. And I find that that's the best way for me to apply it. So yeah, so I have been enjoying it. I know a lot of people, or some people do feel like this actually breaks them out. Me, I've been lucky. I haven't had any type of like breakouts with it or anything, or any like irritation. So I have just been really enjoying it. So love this so far. Next is another product from Sephora. This is actually a restock. A few of the things in here, well, I feel like the rest of the stuff in here is kind of like restock. So, but this is the Lancome Hypnose Doll Lash Mascara. I have been talking about this mascara for like the past like 2 months, and I'm almost out of it because I literally use it every single day. It is my favorite mascara. I love pairing it with the L'Oreal telescopic one. I just find that they just go hand in hand together, and it's just like beautiful, and it's actually the combination I have on my lashes right now. And you guys, best lash combination I've had in a while. So I've really been enjoying it. This is what the packaging looks like. Super cute. Super sleek. I love it. And this is an expensive mascara. I think it's like $27, but it's just so worth it. It's so good. I get compliments on my lashes all the time, and when I'm at work I wear my glasses, so you really can't like see my lashes that well, and even then like people are always like, oh, what mascara do you use? Are those your real lashes? Are you wearing fake lashes? Like, so this is a really good mascara. I highly recommend it if you're somebody that like loves mascaras and was looking for like a good like volume lengthening, just like bomb mascara. Check this one out. Love it. I did just have to pick up another one of these because I've had mine for like a few months now, and I feel like it's time to just replace it. This is the e.l.f. Total Face Sponge. You guys know this is just like the only frigging face sponge that I use. I don't use a beauty blender. I don't use anything else. I just literally just restock on this every like 3 to 4 months, and it's the best face sponge to walk the planet. But to just ever exist. Everybody that I recommend this sponge to, like, they're like, oh my god, that sponge is amazing. I'm like, I know, it's that friggin' good, trust me. So up next is another product from Ulta. This is actually another restock. This is the REDKEN Extreme Length Shampoo. I spoke about this in the beginning of quarantine. That's when I started actually using this, and I feel like my hair has grown so much since then. Like, my hair used to kind of just like be here and would kind of like grow and then not grow and then whatever, but I use this at least like 1 to 2 times a week. So I typically mainly use this shampoo, and then I will just kind of use the Briogeo in between, like once every 2 weeks or once a week if I feel like I need a little bit of hydration in my hair. But for the most part, this is the only shampoo that I use, and I really love it. I love how it smells. I love how it makes my hair feel. It really makes my hair feel super clean and just super fresh, and I have no issues with it. So I have really been enjoying this, and I'm actually almost out of it, so I had to restock on it. Okay, so these next 2 products I did just do a video on last week because I actually got these first in the mail. So this is the new ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hydrating Foundation. I will link the video down below for you guys so you guys can see how amazing this foundation is. I literally tried it last week, and I wore it for 12 hours, and it lasted for 12 hours. First of all, it didn't like break up around my skin, around my nose or anything, and it really just was a bomb foundation. So I will link that down below for you guys so you guys can actually see how it looked on my skin throughout the entire day. And I just really like this foundation. I feel like ColourPop, for the most part, does their products like really good. I used to love their ColourPop No Filter foundation, but that one gave me issues around my nose. It always broke up around there, so I had to like stop using it just because it wasn't like that flattering. Like, the coverage was amazing, but like by the end of the day it would be like practically just like gone. It would just look horrible like around this area of my face, so had to stop using that. But this is what the packaging looks like, and it was only $16, and you get 1 full fluid ounce, which is pretty standard for a foundation. But I love this. I got 1 shade in light 70W, and then I got medium 80W. Medium 80W is kind of like too dark for me, but I'm sure like if I keep tanning I'll eventually be this shade. But yeah, so I did pick up these 2 shades, and I love this foundation. So up next is another product from ColourPop. This is actually another restock. This is their Brow Boss brow pencil. I have been using this brow pencil for like the past like 3 years. My friend Michelle actually recommended it to me years ago. She was like, you need to try this. It's the best brow pencil ever. And at that point I was kind of still hooked on the Brow Wiz, which is still like $18, and this is $6. And I picked this up on their website, and ever since then I've just never ever gone back. I don't see a point in spending $18 on a brow pencil when this is practically Anastasia Brow Wiz in just a cheaper form. I love this. I get mine in the shade brunette because obviously. So yeah, but this is what the packaging looks like. It's just like your little standard brow pencil. It's the best. It really makes your brows look super natural. You know how sometimes some brow products can make your brows look really just like harsh? No, this is just a super natural, great brow pencil, and it's like $6 or like $6.50, something like that. It's just so worth it. So this is another product that I picked up from Ulta. I actually picked it up because of TikTok. Like, I'm just so hooked on it. I love like what they have to say, and I'm just always just like looking at all the different skincare people on there, just like watching their videos, listening to their recommendations, listening to what's good, what's not good, and it's just so fascinating to me. So this is something that like everybody talks about. This is the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. I got mine in the blue one. They make like a blue and a pink one. I got this one because it says all-in-one waterproof like makeup remover. So this is like a no rinse one. Like you don't have to rinse it, but obviously you don't want to use this and then not wash your face after. Like that's just, I hate that feeling of any type of micellar water on my face. So I always make sure if I use the micellar water that I of course like wash my face after. I used this last night and it actually is really good. It removed like most of my makeup. The only thing is it did make my eyes kind of burn, which kind of sucks because I'm so used to my Bioderma just not doing that to my eyes, so that I can like really get in there and remove any eye makeup that I do have on with my Bioderma. This one did make my eyes burn, so I wouldn't, I mean if you're sensitive, I wouldn't recommend this to use around your eyes. I have super sensitive eyes, but I mean for the rest of my face it was freaking amazing, and I think it was like $6, so it's super worth it, and you get 13.5 fluid ounces, so far, it's not a bad purchase. So up next is another restock. I did restock on the Beauty Blender Liquid Blend, what is this called? Liquid Blender Cleanser. I did get the bigger size of it. I picked up the 5-ounce version of it. This is the only soap that I've used for years to clean my beauty sponges. I use it on my e.l.f. one all the time, and it's just, it works so good no matter what type of sponge. I really love it. It doesn't like doesn't dry my sponge out. It doesn't do any like weird stuff like that. It just really just gets in there and removes all the foundation and all the powder and just really makes your sponge look super clean. So had to restock on this. This is the last restock, and then I just have two other things to show you guys. This is from Dior. This is the Dior Forever Skin Correct Concealer. If you guys have been watching my videos for like the past like 2 months, you guys know that how obsessed I am with this freaking concealer. It's the concealer that I have under my eyes right now, and it blows every other concealer out of the water. Like I used my Jouer concealer a few weeks ago and I was like, this doesn't even compare to the Dior. The Dior is just so like flawless and just really just like foolproof. So I did restock on it. I got mine in the shade 1N and then 2.5N. So let me show you guys what it looks like. This is what the packaging looks like. It's super luxurious and it's just a beautiful formula and beautiful packaging. I always say this, but Dior is for sure my favorite like high-end like makeup brand. Like every time I try something from them, like whether it's their makeup, their perfumes, it's always just like quickly becomes like my favorite. So the next shade I did pick up was 2.5N, so I'm going to show you them side by side so you guys can see the color difference. 1N is like my perfect shade right now. I did pick up 2.5 just in case I do start to get like tanner. I always like prepare, you know what I mean? So this is, oh, let me see if I can get a better like look for you guys. These are the two of them side by side. This is 1N and the one right here is 2.5N. I just love them. I do know that Dior is a more expensive brand, but you guys, I don't know, I just always wind up like loving their products. And that concealer, if you're gonna buy one thing from Dior, buy that concealer and thank me later, seriously. Okay, so the last two products that I did pick up are two of the same. This I actually wore in a video, I think like 2 or 3 videos ago. I tried it on camera for the first time and I fell in love with it. This is the Stellar Limitless Foundation. I picked it up from Sephora and I'm super surprised because when I went on their website, all of their stuff is on sale. So like this foundation retails for $35, but I got it for $19. So I'm like really worried if like they're not going to be selling this brand anymore, which would really hurt my soul because this foundation is quickly becoming like my favorite foundation. It's what I'm wearing on my skin right now. It literally makes my skin look poreless, flawless, and it's super long wearing. I would kind of say it's kind of comparable to the ColourPop Pretty Fresh one, but this one is definitely more hydrating. And this one is a little bit more of like a mattifying formula, but I'm going to show you guys the packaging. It really reminds me of the Huda Beauty one. So this is one of the shades that I got. Obviously not my shade at the moment. This is shade S04, and then I picked up another one in L02. So this is the other one that I picked up. This is more my speed. Like I said, it is the foundation that I'm wearing on my skin at the moment, and I freaking love it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this, I would definitely go to Sephora's website right now, purchase it because it is on sale for $19, so get it before it's gone. I hope that they like don't plan on like not selling it, but I guess we will see. Alright you guys, that is literally everything that I picked up from Sephora and Ulta. It was a lot of restocks, but a lot of new stuff. I really feel like I found some good foundations between the ColourPop Pretty Fresh one and the Stellar Limitless one. I just feel like there's such such good foundation, so if you're interested, definitely check them out, especially the Cellar one. Since it's probably not going to be available at Sephora anymore, check that out. Get it on sale while you can. But yeah, so like I said, that is all I have for you guys in this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. Please let me know down below if you guys have purchased any of these products in the past, if you guys have tried the Cellar foundation or the ColourPop one or anything like that. Let me know down below. And yeah, so that is literally all I have for you guys in this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to... Hey. Guys. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video.